Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to Asma K9, a knowledge sharing platform where you will find quality content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. In this video, I will show you how to enable Linux Subsystem on your Windows machine. First, I will show you how to enable Linux Subsystem on Windows 10 operating system machine. Go to Control Panel. Then click Uninstall Program. Then on your left side, click the option Turn Windows Feature on or off. Now in the Windows Feature dialog box, if you are unable to see containers and Hyper-V options, this means that either your virtualization feature is disabled from your system BIOS machine or you are using Windows 10 Home Edition operating system. Know that Windows 10 Home version operating system does not contain these two features. Although these two features are not the prerequisite requirements to enable Linux Subsystem on Windows, but if you are using Windows Linux Subsystem version 2, then hyper virtualization is the prerequisite for that. If these two options are available, it's good that you enable. Then scroll down and enable Windows Subsystem for Linux feature and then click OK. Reboot your system and then you will see that Linux Subsystem for Windows feature has been enabled on your Windows 10 machine. Now I will show you how you can enable Linux Subsystem on your Windows Server machines. So in order to enable your Linux Subsystem on your Windows Server machines, you need to ensure that your operating system is Windows Server 2019 or above. So go to your Server Manager. Then click on Add Roles and Features. Click Next on this screen. Now select role-based or feature-based installation option and click Next. Select your server from the server pool and then click Next. Now you will see that on your Windows Server operating system, containers and hyper virtualization option will be available if your virtualization option is enabled from your system BIOS machine. So go ahead and enable Hyper-V virtualization feature and then click Next. Click Add Features. On the next screen, enable the containers feature and then scroll down. Enable Windows Subsystem for Linux feature and then click Next. On the next screen, click Next. Enable your internet connection for your hyper virtualization. I have enabled both Ethernet and the Wi-Fi. Then click Next. Now click Next on this screen. You can change the path for your Hyper-V directories on your disk or you can just use these default paths. Click Next. Now check the option Restart the destination server automatically if required, or you can manually reboot your system and then click Install. Reboot your system. You will be able to see your Linux subsystem is enabled on your Windows Server machine. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.